Hey everyone! Today we're touring a room at Breathless Riviera Cancun. Located just 20 minutes south of the Cancun International Airport, this all-inclusive, adults-only lifestyle resort has 526 ultra-modern suites set on a beautiful strip of beach along the Riviera Maya. It also boasts 3 separate Insta-worthy pool zones with low, medium, and high-energy areas to suit any vacation mood. Let's take a look at where we stayed, room 3301. An Xhale Club Master Suite, Oceanfront. You'll enter the suite into the living area. Here, you'll find your Do Not Disturb button for when you want some privacy, and your lighting buttons to best light each area of the suite. Beside the front door is your incredible secret box. Use it to get room service without having to answer the door. Next to this is a handy 2-piece bathroom with a toilet, sink, and modern fixtures. Around the corner, your entertainment area holds chic designs and plenty of room for your snacks, beverages, and alcohol. On the counter, you'll find your Nespresso coffee maker with water, sugar, sweeteners, and coffee pods. As an Xhale Club guest, you'll have your very own martini bar, complete with Belvedere vodka, glasses, and cocktail shaker. Under the counter, you'll find shelving storage and your minibar area. On the left are your Pringles, M&Ms, and bottles of rum and whiskey that are all restocked as needed. You'll also find a coffee maker, coffee, and additional glassware here. On the right is your mini fridge filled with fruit juices, sodas, bottled water, and beer that are all restocked as needed. Next up is the living room area. The high-top dining set is center stage and perfect for enjoying room service and surprise gourmet treats. The space has a large sectional couch with comfy pillows for lounging, modern light fixtures, additional seating, a large coffee table with your television remote and guide, and a marble side table with an alarm clock and phone at an arm's reach. Each area in the suite has its own thermostat for your comfort. Across the room is your viewing area with large flat-screen television, shelf storage on both the left and right side, as well as drawers for storage. You'll also find an additional set of lighting buttons here. Next up is the bedroom area. There's sliding privacy doors on both the left and the right of this area. The luxurious king-size bed has soft fabrics and bright accent colors. You'll receive 2 plush robes waiting on the bed for you upon arrival. You also have access to bedroom lighting buttons to suit any mood. Your bedside table holds your television remote and your in-suite tablet. Use the tablet to find resort information, book spa services, tours, and even control the thermostat, lighting, and fan. And there are drawers underneath for additional storage. The left side of the bed has inset shelving and a thoughtfully placed light switch and USB outlet for charging. Your other bedside table has a thermostat in arm's reach, as well as a notepad and telephone. The inset shelving on the right holds both a USB outlet and an additional fan control. Across the room, you'll find your second flat-screen television and a large counter space. On the countertop are 2 USB outlets, as well as a notepad, a pen, and ottoman to use as your desk area. Beside here are 4 large, deep drawers for storage to unpack in. Above this, you'll find your second ceiling fan for the ultimate comfort. Next to the bed is a cozy lounge area with ideal lighting. You're greeted by your complimentary Breathless tote bag, as well as a gorgeous arrangement of complimentary welcome fruit. Across the room are your blackout curtains for privacy between the bedroom area and your spacious bathroom area. The vanity has 2 opulent backlit mirrors and a large marble countertop. On the left is your first sink with a conveniently placed electrical outlet. As an Xhale Club guest, you'll receive premium amenities such as incense, sunscreen, a toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, shampoo, conditioner, and soap. On the right is your second sink with matching electrical outlet, as well as your in-suite audio system controls and lighting buttons. Underneath the counter are a collection of extra towels, as well as your hair dryer. In the middle of the room, you'll find your gorgeous Whirlpool tub. It has multiple jets, modern fixtures, and room for two in its romantic design. Across from this is a vanity area with large mirror, a lighted magnifying mirror, and plush seating area to get ready in. The shower has dark dramatic hues with sleek fixtures, complimentary amenities of soap and body wash, and a handheld shower head, beautiful his and hers rainfall shower heads, and intricate tiled accents. Beside this is a privacy door, which holds your second toilet area and a telephone within arm's reach. Next to this is your wardrobe area. On the left side, you'll find a large space to hang clothing, plus an iron and ironing board, luggage rack, plush slippers, and an umbrella. On the right side of the wardrobe, you'll find additional storage areas, including an extra blanket and pillow, various hangers, a scale, a shoe polishing station, and a safe. This safe fit our 13-inch laptop with plenty of room to spare. Now onto one of the best parts of the room. The large balcony with Whirlpool. The area is beautifully furnished with a seated dining area and an ideal lounging spot with a view. On the far end of the balcony, there's a large outdoor whirlpool with a multitude of jets, all with an incredible view of the coastline. We hope you enjoyed our room tour here at Breathless Riviera Cancun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell us what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more room tours and vacation inspiration. Thanks for watching.